Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a while, but I'm still here. I've not gone anywhere. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing and installing a curly lace human hair wig. This is it. This is what I'm going to be doing today, and this hair is from Nikis and Nikis Hair, and they're on Instagram. Sorry, they're on Amazon. I guess they're probably on Instagram too. But I'm gonna be leaving all the link in the description bar in regards to this hair, so you guys can look into purchasing if you like. This is a 14-inch hair, as you can see. This is the inside of it. Comes with 4 pins rather, one in the middle, one at the side, and I think it's a 13 by 14 lace. So here it is, and I got a adjustable straps, but I'm not going to use it, but I'm gonna save it because this can be very useful in future wigs, but I'm not going to need it because my head is very small. I also got a wig cap, 2 pieces, but I'm not going to use a wig cap either. I'm gonna be taking this off because it's too tight, so I'm not gonna need to use it. So it comes in this cute bag right here. That's what it comes in. Yes, so see if there's anything else. Yes, they're on Amazon. I don't know what these are, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, guys. I'm gonna be cutting the lace first, and then I'm gonna be styling and installing. So if you guys want to see how I do that, just stick around. If you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of videos to come. It's just that I got other things to do, and sometimes I'm very tired, to be honest. But yeah, stick around for the video. And so I'm gonna be cutting it with the wig cap on, but I am not going to be installing it with the wig cap.